Welcome students. In this class, we are going to discuss about the fifth unit of our subject, that is the memory devices. Memory. Generally, the memory is a unit and it's a collection of storage cells with associated circuits needed to transfer information in and out of the device. A memory unit stores the binary information in group of bits called words. Generally, group of 8 bits is termed as the 1 byte. Okay, now the word in a memory location is represented by an address. The very first computer memory consisted of a minute magnetic toroid called core memory, which is very much big and bulky circuit boards are there. So in order to reduce the size, then later we designed with the semiconductor memory. It is very compact, and then we changed it into the microprocessor systems. These memories are usually classified as either bipolar or metal oxide semiconductor. This metal oxide is acronymed as MOS, or complementary metal oxide, that is the CMOS. According to the type of transfer used to construct the memory cells, they are classified as MOS and CMOS. The operations of the bipolar memory is very much fast but greater packing density, and the MOS and the CMOS are cheap and smaller in size, but it requires the low power. Okay, these are all the types of the memory here. The major type of the memory is classified into two types. The memories are majorly classified into two types. They are the, you can see from this flow chart. Okay, first it's a read only memory. Okay, the memory is classified into two types. They are the read only memory and the random access memory. Under the category of read only memory, we have two types. They are the bipolar and the metal oxide semiconductor. The bipolar is again classified into two types. They are the MOS read only memory, programmable read only memory. Metal oxide semiconductor memory is classified into three types. They are mask read only memory, PRCM, electrically erasable programmable read only memory. And I said another one type of memory is the RAM, random access memory. It is majorly classified into two types. They are the static random access memory and the dynamic random access memory. Let's discuss one by one in detail. We have seen the classification. These classifications are of the memories are majorly depends upon, it's classified based on their registers, main memory and the secondary memory, sequential access memory and random access memory. It's a static and dynamic memory, volatile and non-volatile memory, magnetic and the semiconductor memory. Okay, based on this, these are classified. Okay, here we have registers, main memory and the secondary memory. Students, these are all the theory part. Just we have to know the definitions about the things. Okay, we are continuously saying memory. How this memory will be, how it's block. This is the block diagram of the memory unit with n address lines. That is, we have giving inputs. N number of input means there will be some each and every input has its own address. So n address lines. Then extra lines are the read line and the write line. And at the output side we have m data output lines. Okay, input output lines. Please go through this block diagram. Okay, now let's start with the read-only memory. This read-only memory, it have only, from the name itself we can able to understand that it have only the read operation to be performed, and it is a non-volatile memory. That means when the power is switched off, the data given in the systems are erased. That is the meaning for the volatile. Okay, now they retain the stored data even if the power is stored off. That is the volatile means when the power switched off, the data are erased. But the read only memory is a non-volatile memory, so even if we power off, the data will be stored. The read only memories are available in both bipolar and metal oxide semiconductor technology. Types of the read only memory are programmable read-only memory, erasable programmable read-only memory, EEPROM, and the EEPROM, that is the electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Okay, let's now discuss about their read-only memory organization.